All right, data nerds, hold on to your keyboards. Do you know Fabric is brought to you by KratosBI, home of the data gods, funded and paid for 100% out of our own pockets from your donations and your support. No sneaky sponsors, no corporate overlords, and definitely no affiliation with any other company. KratosBI out.
All right, we are live at the T-Mobile Arena minutes before Arun Ulagh gives a keynote speech at FabCon 2025. Welcome to Do You Know Fabric on KratosBI, home of the data gods. I'm your host, Chris Wagner, and we're making today the best day ever. One fearless contestant is about to battle it out with Microsoft Fabric trivia for big cash. Here's the scoop. You'll face 5 questions, each tougher than the last, with prize stacking up $5, $10, $20, $50, even $100 if you conquer them all. Choose the best answer from 4 options. Only my answer key counts, no exceptions. Get it right, your money grows. Get it wrong, you lose it all. Game over. It's all or nothing for the best day ever. Are you ready, Data God?
I am ready, Chris.
All right, let's dive in. What's your name?
I'm Zach from Georgia.
Zach from Georgia?
Yes.
Excited to be here. Were you at FabCon last year?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, welcome to FabCon, Zach.
Thank you.
Let's get into this. Okay, so pick your question here. Let's shuffle these up a bit.
Okay.
All right, which one do you want to go for?
We'll go for number 4 here.
Number 4.
Good.
Okay, all right, we're going to do number 4. Question 1. What kind of users is Microsoft Fabric primarily designed to support? Is it A, graphic designers, B, data professionals and business analysts, C, network engineers, or D, mobile app developers?
I think that's B, Chris.
B, data professionals and business analysts? That's correct. Microsoft Fabric is built for data professionals, data engineers, scientists, as well as business analysts, offering tools for data integration, analytics, and reporting. Not really for graphic design, networking, or app development. Fantastic. That's $5 in your pocket. Let's go for $10. Which Microsoft Fabric feature provides a graphical interface for building data pipelines? Is it A, Data Factory, B, Lakehouse Explorer, C, Power Query, or D, Synapse Studio?
Let's go with A.
A, Data Factory. That is correct. Data Factory is Microsoft Fabric's offers a graphical interface to design and manage data pipelines, orchestrating data movement and transformation distinct from Lakehouse's Explorer or Power Query or Synapse Studio. Or other data tools. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, we're getting into the difficult ones now. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Awesome. For $20, what is the benefit of using shortcuts in Microsoft Fabric's OneLake? Is it A, they generate real-time dashboards, B, they automatically encrypt all data, C, they increase compute capacity, or D, they reduce data duplication across workspaces?
We're going to go with D.
D is correct. They reduce data duplication across workspaces.
All right.
Good job. Shortcuts in OneLake allow users to reference data from other locations without copying it, minimizing duplication and simplifying collaboration across workspaces, not affecting encryption, compute, or dashboards. Oh, fantastic. All right, now we're starting to get into it.
Yeah.
We're at question 4 for $50. Which Fabric component uses Kusto Query Language, KQL, to analyze streaming data? Is it data warehouses, A, or is it B, real-time analytics, C, data science notebooks, or D, Power BI reports?
Can I phone a friend?
We do not have a phone a friend option. I'm terribly sorry.
Guess I'll go with B then.
Which one?
B.
B, real-time analytics?
You got it.
That is correct. Woo! Real-time analytics and Microsoft Fabric leverage KQL to produce and query streaming data efficiently, ideally for time-sensitive insights. Data warehouses use SQL, notebooks support Python and R, and Power BI focuses on visualizations, not streaming analytics. All right, here we are. We're at the big one for $100. What happens to Dataflow Gen 2 processes if a capacity's compute usage is maxed out by concurrent Lakehouse query? Is it A, the data flow pauses and resumes when compute frees up? B, the data flow fails with a resource contention error? C, the Lakehouse query is throttled to prioritize the data flow? D, the data flow continues, but output is delayed until capacity is available.
It's a tough gamble on this one, but I'm going to go for D and cross my fingers.
Is that your final answer?
That sure is.
That is correct. When compute is maxed out by a lakehouse query, Dataflow Gen 2 processes in Fabric continue running but may delay writing output, i.e. to one lake, until capacity frees up, leveraging smooth to balance workloads, avoiding pauses, failures, or query throttling. Well, Zach, congratulations,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
You have won $100 on Do You Know Microsoft Fabric. All right?
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, thanks for playing with us. Thank you for watching. You have the best day ever. Peace.